Welcome everybody, this is Luca Geroli with DirectOut. This year at ISE 2019 we are introducing very big news for DirectOut, which is the Prodigy.MP, a sister product from the already well-known Prodigy.MC. MP stands for multifunction audio processor, and on top of what already offered by the modular audio converter, we are adding DSP capabilities such as EQ, delay, summing bus, insert points, delays, and bidirectional sample rate conversion. The Prodigy.MP is the perfect companion for the MC and is the perfect hub for any complex situation in, for example, live environment, but also broadcast or fixed installation and studio. Thanks to the flexibility of the modular approach, you can select any combination of analog input, analog output, mic pre's, AES3 input and output with sample rate converter, and 2 times network options. So you can have inside of the same device either Dante and SoundGrid, or Ravenna AS67 and Dante, or Ravenna AS67 and SoundGrid. The control of the device can be done in 3 different ways. The first and the easy one is to use the approach of the embedded touchscreen, which has also multi-touch functions. So this is the very quickest way to control the device. You can get to the settings, get the IP address information, check out the level of the devices, switch on and off a phantom power or a pad and stuff like that. The second way of controlling the device is via a web browser and with JavaScript commands. And the third way, and the most comprehensive and coherent one, is to use Globcon. Globcon is a new software platform independent from DirectOut, open to any brand, and DirectOut is the first early adopter of this new technology. You log on globcon.pro, you download your software for free for Mac, PC and Linux, and you start using all the devices which are offered inside of the Globcon suite. You can start using offline devices, virtual devices, or you can simply check out which are the devices already connected in device. Talking about the Prodigy plugin, you have the first implementation starting from the global view, where you click and hold on the several Globcon eye, and you can see which is the situation of the several 416 input and 420 output, which is an incredible amount of input and output for such a small device. If you need more information, you double click on something, and then you can see that there are a bunch of software places where you can control your input, your physical output, your DSP. A nice feature that we recently introduced in Globcon is the smart integration. So here we have a rational acoustic smart rig running, and thanks to the API connection, we can control and get the transfer function and the measurement in real time inside of Globcon. So when you are EQing something with the Prodigy.MP, you can activate the smart transfer function, you can reverse it, you can interact with that, and then you can start design the filter, just reshaping your filter wave form, exactly as is the inverse of this stuff. So my kids, which is 5 years old, can really EQ perfectly this PA system, because it's nothing easier than that. So you can really match the shape of the inverse of the curve. And you can do that in a silent way, because you don't need to have the pink noise running all the time when you're doing that. So let's see if I did a good job. Let's add the last half shell filter, and then you're almost there. So we are just matching the stuff. We just need a little bit of low shelf here, probably. There we go. So now we can go back to the measurement and see if we did a good job. We reverse the stuff, and you can see that we flattened the system in a matter of 30 seconds with precise EQ selection. Thanks for watching this video. We are here at Hall 15. Come over if you have time, or check out our website www.directout.eu.